Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with the concept of history of transport. What we were studying in this chapter, what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is measurement and motion. So in previous class we learned the concept of measuring the mass, and we figured out some of the options that which was odd one out. Okay. So today we are going to start with the concept of history of transport under this chapter. Now, if you remember how the early man used to commute from one place to another, how he used to go? On foot. Okay. How the early people or early humans, they used to travel. They used to travel on foot. Whom we are talking about? Early humans. Okay. Now, and they used to carry their goods also on foot. But after some time, they started using animals. Then animals came into picture. They used to carry their load, or as well as human beings, from one place to another with the help of animals. Clear? Later on, there was a revolutionized discovery, okay, or invention, that was of wheel. Wheel was discovered. The invention of wheel was a revolution in their lives. What kind of? Like the people, they used to now started using carts, okay, which were drawn by oxen or horses. Fine? Either oxen or horses. They used to carry the carts. Okay. Now, after the invention of wheel, their life was very simple. They learnt how to carry the goods, how to transport people from one place to another with the help of wheel, and that was used in the form of carts. Okay. Now people became little bit more wiser. How? They started using logs. What are logs? Yes, what are logs? These are, or I should say, they were the hollow wooden logs, which were quite hollow from inside. Because of their less density, they would float on the water. So people started using these hollow wooden logs to travel and cross the rivers. Okay. Later on, now what modification they did? They converted them into the boats which sailed on water. What did they do? They started making boats. And now what these boats used to do? They used to sail on water. And now people learned how to cross water bodies, just like rivers, lakes, etc. Clear? Now, by and by, some more new things were invented and discovered, like the invention of railways. Okay? Railways and steam engine. Invention of railways and steam engine also brought a tremendous change in their lives. Okay, now the people as well as the goods, they were transported from one place to another in a very efficient manner. And finally, there was an invention of aeroplane. Okay, invention of aeroplane. And you know who invented? Invention of aeroplane. Early aeroplane, it was just like a skeleton of bamboo and all. Okay. Now invention of aeroplane. Who invented aeroplane? It was Wright brothers. Wright brothers. Okay, they invented aeroplane, and it was a big revolution, a very big step in the field of means of communication. Okay, now, but nowadays in this modern era, people have started have made some more advanced modes of transports. Advanced modes of transport. And what are they? What are they? Just like cycle, bike, scooter, auto rickshaw, bus, trains, ships, aeroplane, etc. Aeroplane and spacecraft. Okay, so these are the modern ways or means of transportation. Now, if we have to go for a very small distance, so we have cycle, bike and scooter within a city or little bit out of city. So, but if we have to go for longer journeys, then bus, trains. Okay, if we want to cruise among the waterways, from the waterways, so then there are ships. Okay, aeroplane from one country to another country if you want to port ourselves. Okay, within no time. And spacecraft, on which part we can go with the help of spacecraft? Out of Earth's gravity, or like we have to go on another satellite or any other planet. So this is the modern era transport. And in ancient time, what early men used to do? Either used to go on foot, okay, or he made use of animals. Fine. Now, other than that, what was being done? Other than that, the people, they started learning the how to commute through waterways. So they learned the way of hollow logs, the tree trunks. The tree trunks, they were made hollow and they were used as float or sail. Okay, then they came to know the concept of boat. So this is how the early man or early humans, they used to commute from one place to another. So it was quite very different from the today's scenario. So this is the concept of history of transport, how the transportation evolved from ancient time to modern day time. Okay, so I hope the things are clear to everyone. So in this concept we learned how evolution of transport took place from ancient time to modern time. Okay, so you can just go through the book on page number 143. Some figures have been given in which the early man has whatever the ways he opted have been shown. Okay, so read it and find out what is more about it. Fine.